Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Now, ये भी भूल चुके थे ना कि रिप्लाई भी करना होता है. Okay, most important chapter of history. This chapter, if you learn this chapter, it is utilized in your UPSC examinations also. Whenever you are giving the examination, there is a topic Indian freedom struggle 1857 to 1947. आता ही है. Okay. So we are moving towards the third chapter, and this chapter, nationalism in India. Although chapters start with 1915 for us, but we have to revise the past and previous knowledge also. So we start with the formation of Congress. Listen carefully. 1885 formation of Congress. First 20 years period of moderate leaders. Period of moderate leaders. In 1905, Bengal was divided into two parts, East Bengal and West Bengal. Although it was not West Bengal, it was East Bengal, which is right now is occupied by us, known as West Bengal. It was East Bengal, if we think about that geographically. But it was divided into two parts in 1905. 1906, Aga Khan formation of Muslim League. 1907, Congress split in two parts, moderate and non-moderate leaders. You haven't used the word extremist, Ugravadi, nahi. Moderates and non-moderate leaders. Then, afterwards, in 1914, First World War between two groups. World was divided into two power blocks. So during the First World War, from 1914 to 1918, several movements launched in India. During the First World War, several movements launched in India. First person which we recognized. Now chapter start. 1915, Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa. He successfully launched Satyagraha in South Africa. Now, what is the meaning of Satyagraha? Requesting for justice in peaceful manner. Request करना जस्टिस के लिए, किसके अकॉर्डिंग? पीसफुली रिक्वेस्ट करना. किसने करा? गांधी जी. कहां करा? साउथ अफ्रीका. ठीक है, सक्सेसफुली. अब वहां पर उन्होंने लॉन्च कर दिया. कोई चीज एक बार सक्सेसफुली हो जाती है तो उससे अपन क्या करते हैं? रीलॉन्च करते हैं. So he came to India, and before launching mass movement, he launched several small movements. First, Gandhi ji in Champaran against indigo plantation work. Follow me. Okay, now the first Champaran movement against indigo plantation worker. Forcefully plantation work was there. Champaran is here in Motihari district. दिख रहा है सबको? ये यहाँ पर बेटा मोतिहारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट है. यहाँ पर पहला मूवमेंट स्टार्ट करा गांधी जी ने. In 1916 he launched the first movement against forcefully contract signed by the Britishers with the farmers, indigo farmers. फर्टाइल लैंड पर फार्म करना पड़ता था उनको, उसके खिलाफ उन्होंने काम करा कि यहाँ पर है मोतिहारी. देख लो मेरा हाथ देखो. See this point. This is Motihari. In Motihari, Champaran is a district. In Motihari, small district is Champaran. ठीक है, गांव होते हैं विलेज. Second movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi in Kheda. Just see the distance. Here the Bihar and travel from Bihar to Kheda. Again see the point. Kheda. Map question as well as 3-mark question. It was against the revenue. Britishers introduced new revenue rule and farmers opposed this rule. So he launched the movement in 1917 in Kheda. कहाँ है खेड़ा? दिख रहा है जगह कहाँ लगा रखी मैंने? फिंगर कहाँ है मेरी? Is that clear? Now from here Gandhi ji launched one more movement in 1918 in Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad. Is this clear? Ahmedabad. In 1918 against mill workers. The wage was very limited and the working hours increased. So he requested the factory owner at least increase 35% wage of workers. Now in these 3 points, Gandhi ji returned from South Africa. He successfully launched the Satyagraha movement in South Africa. The same thing he launched in these 3 parts, Champaran, Kheda and Ahmedabad. Any doubt? किसी को कोई doubt है? Any one of you? Yes, 1918, Ahmedabad mill workers. The owner increased the time. Mill owner increased the time, but he haven't increased the payment. So Gandhi ji start the movement for the help of workers. He start the movement for the help of workers to increase 35% wage. कि भाई उनके 35% बढ़ाओ, आपने टाइम बढ़ा दिया, पेमेंट भी तो बढ़ाओ. So he successfully launched these 3 movements. Any doubt? किसी को कोई डाउट है? चलिए अब मैं एक एक से पूछ रहा हूं. Now map reading. During the World War, the production of Indian things increased. Production of Indian things increased and dependency of Britishers increased in India. At the same time, the raw things, the raw materials, they were carried forward from here to Britain. Negative as well as positive. Both impact was there. Okay. Now we are moving towards most important year 1919. Historically, why it is historically? Why 1919 is considered as a historical year? ऐसा क्या हुआ था? It was written over there. That's why you are reading all these things. Let I tell you. First, Montague Chelmsford Reform, 1919. Rowlatt Act, 1919. Jallianwala Bagh, 1919. Khilafat Movement Formation, 1919. End of the First World War,
1990.
Treaty with the Turkish Sultan.
1990.
ये सारी चीजें कब हुई थी? 1990. ओके, यहां तक का समझ में आ गया सबको? आपके मैप क्वेश्चन भी कवर हो गए, समझ में आ गया ना? कहाँ है मैप में? ध्यान रखना बेटा, पॉइंट परफेक्टली लगाना है जहां पर है वहीं पर. Is that clear? Shall we move further?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, in 1919, Montague Chelmsford Reform introduced the dual government in India. Okay. At the same time, Justice Rowlatt came to India and passed two proposals. Bill, just like the farmers' bill was passed, opposed. Similarly, the bill was passed, but in farmers' bill, no negativity is there. But in Rowlatt Act, there was the negativity. What kind of negativity? That they can arrest any person without any warrant. They can seize the property of any person without legal procedure. Well-known definition described by the people was no appeal, no dalil, no wakil. है ना? कोई अपील नहीं, कोई दलील नहीं, कोई वकील नहीं. पुलिस को लगा, चल भैया तूने क्या करा? सर मैंने तो कुछ करी नहीं, तू खड़ा तो था, चल तू भी जेल में. सर मैं तो आया था. तो क्यों आया था? आपने बुलाया था? नहीं, जेल में. क्या था बेटा? It was the black bears. Enormous power. Give enormous power to police. They can arrest, search any person. Gandhiji declared these all are the illegal bill. And as Gandhiji do satyagraha, again requesting for the truth, Gandhiji called a satyagraha sabha, urged the people to request the people to do the satyagraha against Britishers in very peaceful manner. 30 March, he do the first fast. 30 March 1919, first fast against them. Then the date was fixed, 6th April, as a date of protestation. On 6th April, all the people protested against mighty rule. Then what happened? On 8th of April, 1919, two prominent leaders of Congress, Dr. Satyapal Singh and Kichlu. Dr. Satyapal Singh and Kichlu, these two people moved from Delhi to Amritsar. Again point. Okay. Now the Lahore was also the part of India before 1947. ठीक है? यहाँ पर point कर रहा हूँ मैं, देखो तुम. Amritsar. ठीक है? In Amritsar, they declared that we are going to address the peaceful gathering on the eve of Baisakhi. That year the Baisakhi was on 13th April 1919. On 11th April 1919, General Dyer the charge and circulate the order among officers, not in public, that all meetings are prohibited. Publicly it was not issued. Publicly this order was not issued. It was among the officers that all meetings are prohibited as a pre-decided program. As a pre-decided program, people gathered in Jallianwala Bagh And if you visited Jallianwala Bagh, its exit is so narrow. इसका एग्जिट पॉइंट बहुत छोटा है, एंट्रेंस और जगह भी छोटी, ज्यादा बड़ी नहीं. So people were gathered to listening these two prominent leaders and show their support for Mahatma Gandhi. General Dyer came, closed all the exit point and issued open fire. He indiscriminately killed 1,500 people, men, women and children. So this was the incident which hatred by each and every Indian till date. Also, you also include that was a really bloody day that he killed innocent people. So this was Jallianwala Bagh. Any doubt? बेटा कुछ भी हो, हमारी भी आंखों के चश्मे नंबर बड़े सबके. Okay, now next point, Khilafat movement. Although this was not started directly in India and the cause was also not in India, this was the cause from Turkey. Okay, Germany had surrendered on November 11, 1918. Write down. Germany had surrendered on November 11, 1918. After that, Turkey too stopped fighting. The peace treaty was imposed on Turkey. A peace treaty imposed on Turkey. They suspended the post of Khalifa. They suspended the post of Khalifa. Khalifa is the pious post for Sunni Muslims. Khalifa is the pious post for Muslims, Sunni Muslims especially. They recognize them as the son of Prophet Muhammad. ऐसा मानते हैं कि भाई वो उनकी संतति के हैं, खलीफा हैं, जो लीडर है. तो उन्होंने ब्रिटिशर्स डिक्लेयर्ड दैट नो खलीफा इज रिक्वायर्ड. बहुत चढ़ा दी उनके हटाने से हट जाती, उनके हटाने से कुछ चीज हटती है. They remove that post. हमारे पोस्ट नहीं, no post of खलीफा. So in India, two famous Ali brothers, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, launched Khilafat movement against the unjustified treaty with the Turkey Sultan and reorganized the post of reorganized the post of Khalifa. They want the post of Khalifa back to Turkey's Sultan. So this was Khilafat movement. Now the next thing, non-cooperation movement. A special session of the Congress was held at Kolkata on September 1920. This is Kolkata. Everyone, September 1920, map question. Kolkata, September 1920. Map question है ये. When they adopted the idea of non-cooperation, they adopted the idea of non-cooperation in 1920 in Calcutta session. Reason for launching the non-cooperation movement. Now, Montagu-Chelmsford reform, disappointed the people. Roland Act, Jallianwala Bagh incident. 3 goals. Montagu Chelmsford reform, disappointed the people. Roland Act and Jallianwala Bagh incident, connected with each other. Then, what were the objective of launching the non-cooperation movement? Write down. First motive, restoring the old status of Turkey's Sultan. Restoring the old status of Turkey's Sultan. Punishing those found guilty in Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Punishing those found guilty in Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Next. Demand for Swaraj. Make the bracket and write down once its own. Program of non-cooperation movement. Boycott the Legislative Council. Boycott the Legislative Council. Boycott the law courts. Ballers. Boycott government school and colleges. Boycott all British offices and British goods. And British goods. Okay. Then promotion of Hindu-Muslim unity. Removal of untouchability. Promotion of Swadeshi and Khadi. Promotion of Swadeshi and Khadi.